There, it's me again. I'm thinking about rinsing this painting off, but before I do so, I think I'm just going to go ahead and invite you to back in to see whatever happens before I decide to end it all. So, let me see what I can do, if anything, with my spatula, because this is the perfect opportunity for that. And I forgot to say, well, sort of, but not really, this is Priscilla Batzell at Expressionist Art Studio in Spring Hill, Florida, in the backyard, playing with a painting I thought I was rescuing, but now I'm not so sure that I was rescuing it as well as I thought I was. And I don't mind what happens now, because I just want to play. I have some neat things going on, but they weren't as cool as I wanted them to be. So even if nobody ever sees this, I'll at least have a record of it. I'm going to wipe my spatula off. I'm just going to keep dragging my spatula through the added paint that was on top of the other painting that I just painted over. I'm not going to mind whatever's in the background. I say that now, but I do have little wet cloths. And I could probably just add some gold back in there if I'm so concerned about it, because that's what was there before, and it looked pretty good. And a few rest areas are an okay thing. The painting just got me out of hand, basically. It got out of hand for me. How should I say that? I didn't like it in the end when I thought I was going to like it. And because it's not a hot day here in Florida, I have an opportunity to make it into something that I like. I hope. And I like it better already than I did. Which is kind of cool, because I'd always rather have a painting I like than one I don't hanging around. As much as I enjoy doing a double process, I don't necessarily enjoy doing a triple process as much. For sure. Black, blue, white. What do I really want? Do I want white? Maybe I do. Maybe I want the dull end of my skewer, which is, for me, the better end to play with. Yeah, I think I could use a little more white in places. Move that paint out of my way. Throw my skewer right in there. Let it blend with some other colors, because the paint is still damp. Well, I often say I'm not minding things, and sometimes that's true, and sometimes they need a little help. And I'm much happier with that right now. I think I want something right there that's lighter. Yeah. Maybe that would help everywhere if there was a little bit of lighter orange. So, if you just watched the previous video, you heard everything you need to hear from me telling you about all the places you can contribute if you want to, and appreciating your comments, thank you, and your contributions that have kept me painting, thank you. And where to go to find my Instagram and my Pinterest links at the bottom of the video's description underneath the video. And that I have a new clothing line through Teespring, which I am very slowly, as I have no time in my life for anything, adding stuff to, including leggings, which are totally rad. Probably not one of my normal words, but that's okay. Happier with this now than I was by far. It's turning into something I actually like, which shouldn't surprise me, but sometimes it does anyway. And I'm happy that there's other paint still wet in the background that I can then borrow, steal, utilize, whatever you want to call it. But I'm happier now than I was by far. And you probably can't see what I'm doing because it's out of your line of sight. So I will put the painting back. And no matter how bizarre this is, adding squeeze bottles where you feel inspired to is something that works for me, and I'm actually, now I'm pleased. Now it doesn't look like a big mess to me anymore. Now I see some shapes and some depth. So I've told you everything I need to tell you, and I've given it a quick second pass in spite of the fact that I thought I wouldn't. And I'm having a quick look from up here where we can see things better. And I'm thinking I'd like just a little bit of orange up there. I do mean a little bit. Just enough to draw the eye. Do I like it? Good question. Yeah, I'm good with that. I'm good with all of that. Alright, so you can see what I can see. And I'm not sure how you feel about it, but I'm happy that I did what I just did. Whew! That was close. I'll see you guys in the next video. Priscilla in Spring Hill at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Out for now. Love you guys. Bye.